Hey everybody, Chris at Fraser Chrysler. Today we're going to do a bit of a video here, a how-to on how to replace your cabin filter. Reason why you want to replace your cabin filter: better air quality, better AC performance, eliminates odors, reduces your engine strain, and improves your fuel efficiency. Now let's check out and see how we do it.
So the first thing you want to do is open up your glove box. Your cabin filter is located behind the glove box, which is going to involve pushing in the tabs on each side of your glove box. Once those tabs are pushed in, you can remove and lower your glove box. And as you can see, you slide your hand up in there, pull off the cover, and slide out your cabin filter. As you can see, this one is covered in debris and really should be replaced. So what you would do is get a new cabin filter and slide the new one into the same slot, replacing the cover, and at that point we can go ahead and put the glove box back into place. A couple of Fraser Chrysler invoices there, that's always nice to see. Once you click those tabs back in, you just close up the glove box and your cabin filter is done.